Pranam to all. How are you all in this hot weather? In Delhi, it's about 47 to 49 degrees Celsius. Right now, in our homes, even though we on the fans and ACs, we still feel hot. So right now, our plants are burning in this hot weather. Generally, plants grow faster with increase in air temperature up to the point. But extreme heat will slow down growth and also increase moisture loss. Today, this is an interesting video where I will tell you how to use coffee in your gardening. Here are 8 reasons to use coffee in your garden. You can use coffee as a powder form or a liquid form. A little sachet dissolves with 1 liter of water. Then mix the coffee and the water very thoroughly. Coffee is a nitrogen-rich fertilizer. So you can use this coffee fertilizer on your Z plant. You can also use it in your money plant to make it bushy and healthy. Coffee is a natural pest control. You can sprinkle the coffee powder on your soil to protect them from slugs and snails. Did you know that it is also cat repellent? Yes, cats damage our plant by digging the soil. So, you may use coffee powder to prevent your cat digging the soil. Look, Chhoti is enjoying watering the plant. In this hot weather, you may also spray your plant regularly. Tip number 3 is to feed your acid-loving plant. This is our Sadabahar plant. I hope you have all watched the treatment of plant chlorosis. But if you haven't watched it yet, so you can watch that video. Look, the plant chlorosis is slowly fixing. Coffee increases acidity and nutrients in the soil. And this is my favorite reason to use coffee in our acid-loving plant. It also helps fixing the plant chlorosis. The correct pH level of our garden soil makes a huge difference to the health of our plants, with most plants growing best in slightly acidic to neutral soil. And in this summer season, our soil becomes more alkaline in this heat. You can use coffee fertilizer for Sadabahar plant, rose plant, hibiscus plant, guava plant, lemon plant, madhumaruti, etc. Coffee suppresses the weeds. If you use fresh coffee powder, you can control your weeds. Chrysanthemum plant also suffers from chlorosis. So my mom gives compost, mulching, gives proper watering, but none of them works. This is the Hari Singer plant. It also suffers from chlorosis, and now it is healthier than usual. This is our guava plant. Worms seem to love coffee. And if you give coffee fertilizer to your soil, worms will surely come and enrich your soil. And the most important point, you can use coffee in your compost bin. It helps your compost to become more nutrient. This is our baby jet plant. Look, it is so bushy. Now I hope you get an idea about how you can use your leftover, expired or fresh coffee in your garden. Hope you today enjoyed our videos. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.